recording.
Every parent knows how hard it is to keep kids entertained during the summer. And this weekend, one grandmother found out children will get into anything. Oh, yes. Pam's granddaughters found an old pair of handcuffs in her house on Saturday, and the youngest granddaughter put the cuffs on her and her older sister. They quickly found out there was no key, and even Baytown police couldn't get them off. The family called in the fire department, and the first responders broke out the power tools. It was a scary moment for the whole family. The girl's younger brother started chatting with officers, sharing that he loved to play the keyboard. Well, yesterday, Baytown police returned to the house for a jam session.
I would always play this. We would always take out the earphone piece and we would always... Yeah, could you get the tape?
Yeah, it's got like 100 different sounds.
Do it, I think.
This is way too cool. The officers brought out that keyboard for the young boy and even taught him to play the guitar right there. They are rocking out. Well, tonight, police joked on Facebook, this could be the start of a great band. Either way, this is summer. They will not forget, right?